As the part of the Environment Club of School, we have been deliberating to create awareness among students, teachers on the issue of pollution, e-waste pollution. We would like to talk about hazards of pollution, its harmful effect on environment and human health. We will ask students to be aware about pollution, soil pollution, air pollution, water pollution. We will set up a collection center. We will ask students and teachers to bring discarded electronic items from their home, which will be then be sent to authorized recycler. Details can be downloaded from www.green.gov.in. Various activities based on Pollution Prevention Day has been conducted in our school in order to aware students and the masses. Thank you, Department of Environment and the Principal Ma'am, for your support and encouragement. We should certainly put in a best effort.